Hi everyone, it's Tracy from Creative Cook's Kitchen. I'm in my office and have been busily at it this week. Some of you may know that we have launched a Kickstarter campaign and we have reached a small increase, which is excellent. So I want to thank the people who have decided to donate so far, but do welcome you too. It's as cheap as buying a cup of coffee, and of course we'd love you to have one with us soon as we're open. And a few other exciting things that have happened this week. So I've been cooking, so making some new recipes for the website and for our newsletter. Newsletter will be out shortly for those people who are members and have subscribed. So if you haven't subscribed yet, I'd encourage you to go and have a look and do so. And you might also notice shortly on Facebook we will be launching a competition. So it's something close to my heart, something I have cooked, so how about you check that out and see if you can guess a herb that I have cooked with, and then that might get you to have a little look around our website and see what you think. We always welcome feedback about what we have on our website. If we're missing anything or you think we could be doing something better or differently, please let us know via email or giving us a call. Very happy to have a chat to you. It is getting close to school holidays, last day of school today for my kids, so we'll be in school holiday mode, and usually during school holiday mode we try to offer some kind of workshop or ability to cook with us. So we are excited. We've actually been able to organise virtual reality cooking classes this holiday, so keep an eye out on our page, Facebook page, as well as the website for more details to come. So hopefully we'll see you at a couple of those events, and that will be really exciting. We'll be able to do that live streaming through the net until we can all meet face to face again. So our venue is, you know, getting some creative things happening there in the sense of the space, but of course we also have to do our risk management plan for COVID safe as soon as we do get ready to open. So that's on my agenda for the next few weeks as well in the background. So hope you're all keeping well and keep cooking, and we'll talk very soon. Bye.